Guys, I'm here with my brother Commander. We're gonna be reacting to Nerf Gun Game 5.0. Come here, Bubba.
Blah, blah.
Yeah, this is my first reaction video with my brother. And this is his first reaction video on my channel.
We winning.
And the first one, the 200 points to win. And right now, you start off with the pistols.
Dang, son.
So now you start off. Now you got a rifle. Shh, TT, we're making a video.
This has good
Shh, Dad, look, it's my gun right there. Remember the gun I had? Yeah, there it is.
He tried to do a trick shot on him. Sorry guys, I'm eating chips.
They don't care. As long as you're not smacking.
That's a kill.
Right now, he just died, but oh, he just hit a boy up in the head with a headshot. Now he moves on to the Braxton, whatever you call that. Dude, it's literally a guy sitting right there on the bench. Them little green. Now we move on to the shotguns. He nerfed them. Here's another shotgun. Now this is a machine gun. The Sonic Ice Rager. Come on, kid, die. He got wrecked. Dang, that's an easy kill. So yeah, he's going up the bench. Hopefully he doesn't fall off and try to die you. And oh, he fell.
I know that had to hurt.
What is he trying to do? Another guy? Literally. Let's go. He's got a big machine gun, a minigun here. Bubba, Bubba, Bubba. Shh. He has a minigun. Let's see what he's gonna do. It's full of Nerf guns in there.
Sir, straight ahead. That makes us even. You're right, man. Even Steven.
He eliminated 2 people.
Did he get shot?
Here's your gun.
Yup, he got killed.
In the truck?
Go get it.
He got eliminated.
Killed Blaze.
Shh. Now we move on to the twin shotgun. You doing Fortnite dances? Hey, he could have danced a little more. Oh, we got another minigun. The first minigun, actually. Die, kid.
He killed Owen.
So now we have this cool blaster that has a couple grenades on it. You're gonna shoot the grenades and hit him with the grenade. He has another pump action shotgun. He got a Nerf knife. For a second there,
What's that?
I think he died. Yes, he won. He got the victory. I hope you enjoyed the reaction video. Bye. Make sure to use code KSean and Kamar J in the Fortnite shop.